In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money from Revolut to PayPal. Now, one thing you should know is that there's no direct option to transfer money from Revolut straight into PayPal, but don't worry, there's a simple workaround, and I'll guide you through it step by step. So first, what you need to do is move your money from Revolut into a bank account that's already linked to your PayPal. Open the Revolut app and tap on the Transfer option. From here, select New and then choose Bank Recipient. At this point, enter the details of your bank account that is connected to your PayPal. Once you confirm everything, go ahead and transfer the money from Revolut to that account. The transfer usually takes some time depending on your bank, so just wait until the funds show up in your account. Once the money has arrived in your bank, the second step is to bring it into PayPal. Open the PayPal app and log into your account. Now, go to the Wallet section and select your PayPal balance. Here, you'll see an option that says Add Money. Tap on that, choose the bank account you just transferred your Revolut funds to, and then enter the amount you want to add. Confirm the transfer, and PayPal will process it, which may take a day or two depending on your bank's processing time. And that's it. By using your linked bank account as a bridge, you can easily move money from Revolut into PayPal. It's not direct, but it works smoothly and is the best method available right now. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.